Hi everyone! How are you all doing? Kumusta na po kayo? Please come and join me and bake potato pizza. Yeah, this is so easy to make. Yeah, I am using a dozen potatoes, large size, and 1 large white onions. Very mild. Mild taste yan. Hindi po matapang yan na sibuyas. Yan. Slice po siya ng maninipis yan. And then, I'm gonna use 7 large eggs. Yeah, make sure no shells. Yung wala pong walang balat ng itlog. Yan. And gawa po tayo ng pizza na patatas for a change. Yan. Para naman maiba naman po ang pizza natin. Yan. And then, haluin po siyang mabuti. Beat it really good. Then, I'm gonna add salt. And then, a 1/3 cup of olive oil. About a 1/3 cup. Adjust your salt, by the way. I use about 2 tablespoons. And I'm gonna add soy sauce. About a 1/3 cup. Or less than, It's up to you how much soy sauce you want to put in there. Then 1 cup of flour. And 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda. And half lemon juice. Large lemon juice. Yan. Make sure no seeds in there because that's gonna be bitter. Mapait po ang buto ng lemon. Yan, kailangan walang malaglag. Then, start lining them up. Ilagay nyo po siya. Kailangan meron po kayong papel na liner, yung baking sheets. Yan, tapos lagay nyo na yung onion. Add your onions. Line up all your vegetables. Potato. Yan. Then, add 2 containers of soy sauce. Then, 12 pieces of peeled potatoes. Whole potatoes. Yan. Separate them apart. Then add your batter, yung itlog na merong flour. Then grate your cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese. You can buy the one that's already shredded in the store. Yan. Make sure put it evenly. Yung kailangan malagay niyo po siya ng maayos, yung lahat ng corner meron. Then I'm gonna add ground black pepper. That's about a teaspoon maybe. Adjust your ingredients. And then 2 tablespoons of dried basil leaves flakes. Yan, masarap yan. Masarap po yan. And then sprinkle a tablespoon of salt. And then bake at 180 degrees for 1.5 hours. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you like my video and my recipe. Bye. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye. Hope to see you soon.